So I get a lot of questions from beginners asking me, should I start with Clickbank affiliate marketing platform or Digistore24 affiliate marketing platform? Now, I've actually tested both, and honestly, there are some big differences that most people don't talk about. So if you're new to affiliate marketing and you can't decide which one exactly to start with, today I will be breaking down which is actually better for beginners like you. And just to be clear, I'm not here to hype one over the other. I've actually created tutorials on both platforms, helped a lot of beginners to get started and tested the features myself. So by the end of this video, you would know exactly which platform makes the most sense for you, so you can stop guessing and actually start building your affiliate business the smart way. Now let's jump into the first point. How easy is it to actually sign up? Now on Clickbank, the sign up process is simple. You just want to head over to clickbank.com and you want to click on login. When you click on login, you scroll below, you would see need a Clickbank account. You can create an account here and you want to go ahead and click that. Then it will bring you up to this page. Of course, it's 100% free to join, where you would need to fill in your details, your country, name, phone number, email, password. It actually doesn't take a lot of time to sign up, but here is the catch. Not every country is accepted. And that can be very discouraging if you are just starting out. So if you click on this country here, you can see, even though there's quite a handful of countries that are accepted, there's still quite a whole lot of other countries that are not accepted. However, Digistore24, so it has a whole lot more countries that can actually sign up with Digistore24. And of course, the sign up process also takes a few minutes. You just simply enter your email, your public username, your password, repeat password, and just fill in a few other details and you're good to go. So if you're outside the UK or US, Digistore24 is definitely easier and faster to start with. But if your country is supported on Clickbank, then Clickbank is still a solid option. Now, once you are in, the next thing you would notice is that not all products are created equal. Now, let's compare what both platforms actually offer. Now, Clickbank is known for digital info products like online courses, ebooks, training programs. They also have a blend of a few physical products, particularly in the health and fitness niche. However, it's usually more of online courses, ebooks, apps, training programs, and their commission can go up to 75%. But the thing is, these niches are often crowded and very competitive. Digistore24, on the other hand, gives you a rich variety of digital products under a variety of niche, and also they do have physical products like supplements, fitness plans, or gadgets, and their commission are usually between 30% and 70%, and the marketplace feels more beginner friendly. So if you love promoting digital info products, then Clickbank gives you more of that. But if you want a mix of physical and digital products, then Digistore24 is a great option. Now, great products don't mean much if you can't actually get paid easily. Now, let's talk about payout method. Now, when it comes to getting paid on Clickbank, Clickbank does offer weekly or bi-weekly payouts, and you can use direct deposit, check, or Payoneer. However, Clickbank requires at least 5 sales with different credit cards before you can receive your first payout, which can actually slow beginners down. Digistore24, on the other hand, pays on the 7th, 14th, 21st, and 28th of every month. So you can decide to choose your payout per month. And their threshold is, of course, $50. So once you meet the threshold, you can get paid through PayPal or bank transfer, which is simple, fast, and super beginner friendly. So for payouts, I would say Digistore24 definitely takes the lead. But money aside, how easy is it to actually promote your affiliate links? Now let's look at the tools both platforms give you. Now, Clickbank does give you advanced analytics, things like conversion rates, gravity scores, and top selling stats. It's perfect if you love data and you plan to scale later. So you can see all of this: average by conversion, initial, CVR, EPC, gravity score, just a whole lot in case you want all of those details. Digistore24, on the other hand, does give you some of those particular analytics. However, it is much more simpler. It is easier for beginners to understand, to navigate. Also, with Digistore24, many vendors include pre-written emails. So if you check their affiliate support page, you'll be able to find pre-written emails, ad banners, social media posts that you can actually leverage on immediately. So overall, I would say Clickbank wins in terms of advanced analytics, but Digistore24 wins in terms of simplicity and beginner friendliness. Now, data and tools would mean little if the platform itself isn't reliable. So let's talk about trust and support. Now, Clickbank has been around since 1998. It's one of the most trusted affiliate platforms in the world, and that gives it a really strong reputation out there with product creators and affiliates alike. Digistore24, on the other hand, seems newer in relation to Clickbank, but it's really growing fast, and their customer support is usually quicker to respond, and their interface feels modern and beginner focused. So while Clickbank wins in terms of reputation, Digistore24 wins on responsiveness. So I'm going to give an overall verdict, and this will apply to you depending on your own situation. So if you're just getting started and you want something simple, global, and easy to understand, I would say Digistore24 is your best starting point. But if you are in a supported country and you want to access more established products, detailed analytics, and higher potential commission, then I would say Clickbank might be better long term. Either way, both platforms can actually help you build a solid affiliate foundation. So if you would like me to walk you through how to actually pick a profitable product on Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner, then you want to make sure to watch the next tutorial that I will be showing on your screen right now. Ciao.